the order book indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it will start displaying the order book on the price chart. Volume profile traders can easily use the order book indicator to examine the total tick volume traded at each level. This indicator displays the total tick volumes by showing green and red order book boxes. If the total tick volume is positive, it shows green boxes, and if the total tick volume is negative, it displays red boxes. Also, it is important to note that if the tick volume significantly increases, the corresponding volume boxes will extend much further, clearly indicating a substantial increase in volume at each specific price level. Traders can view each price level inside its respective box and base their analysis on each price level accordingly. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available to us. In the first part, we can set the number of columns, which is set to 20 by default. If we want, we can increase or decrease this value. For example, by setting the number to 100, the boxes will be divided into 100 boxes, and the total tick volume of each box will be displayed on its right side. Additionally, the price level of each box is also shown inside it. In the following sections, we can change and set the color of the buy orders, the color of the sell orders, the color of the total tick volume, and finally the color of the price level inside each box to any color we like. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.